The world is constantly transforming with the fourth industrial revolution. 4 out of 10 companies are moving to Industry 4.0. Are we prepared for the transformation that is happening? If yes, how? The Factory Science introduces Manufacturing Digitization Management for knowledgeable, skilled, and recognized manufacturing digitization managers who bring structure to the digital manufacturing process and drive successful Industry 4.0 initiative across the organization. The course offers Industrial Internet of Things, Technology Evaluation, Digitization Use Case Analysis, Machine Assessment, Agile-based Apps Development Process, Digitization Implementation Process, 35 plus hours of online live session on digital manufacturing, hands-on experience with the templates and tools to manage digitization, access to digitization resources and knowledge base, certificate of completion from the Factory Science. Are you ready for the future? It's time to get started. Join the digital revolution by becoming a certified manufacturing digitization manager from Industry 4.0 experts.